Welcome everyone. We are discussing combination. So today through this video I will discuss division of different things into different groups. So you consider first a simple theory, division of m plus n distinct things into two groups containing m and n things equals to factorial m plus n by factorial m into factorial n. You have to understood the theory first, then problem will be obviously solved. So total things m plus n. First group containing m and second group containing n things. So what is the selection of first group? So look, selection of first group equals to m plus n c m. So total m plus n things you have to select m. So first group can be selected by m plus n cm. Now remaining things. M plus n is total things and we have used m. So remaining thing is m. So from a remaining thing you have to select second group. So selection of second group equals to nc, and how this is ncn. So this is second group. So by FPC, total number of selection equals to m plus ncm into ncn. Now if we if we expand, this is factorial m, this is factorial m, and ncn is 1. So look, we are matching with this. So very simple theory, total number of things, factorial of total number of things by factorial of number of things in each group. If it is, suppose there are m plus n plus p things, and if we divide into three groups containing m and n p things, then answer will be m plus n plus p factorial of, then number of element of first group, second group, third group. So if number of elements in each group is unequal, then formula is very simple. So total number of things by number of elements in each group. Now consider the case when things are divided equally into groups, 2 groups, 3 groups, and so on. So for this we consider an example and examples. Suppose there are 4 things A, B, C, D, 4 things, and we want to divide these 4 things into 2 groups containing equal number of things, that is containing 2 things in each group. So look, 4, so 2 groups. So group 1 and group 2. So containing 2. So first group containing 2, second group containing 2. Now look, so if we take, this is AB and CD, this is a group, AB and CD, AC and BD, ABCD, AC, BD, then AD, this is BC, A is fixed, then B, is fixed. So AB and B are same, so BC, so AD, BD, so AC, so B is fixed. Then CA already taken, CB already taken, so CD, and this will be AB. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. So according to our formula, so look, we are getting factorial 4 by, if we use this, factorial 2 into factorial 2. So 24 by 4 equals to 6. So look, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting 6 groups. But if you notice it, look, group number 1, ABCD, and group number 6, 1 and 6 are alike. Look, group number 1 and 6 are alike. Similarly, 2 and 2, AC and BD, 2 and 5 are alike. Look, AC, BD, AC. And group number 3 and 4, 3 and 4 are alike. So actually we are getting only three groups. So according to formula, you are getting 6. So if you notice it, 2 numbers of group are alike. If we divide it into 2 parts, 2 groups. Similarly, if we divide some things, different things, into 3 groups containing equal number of things, then not 3, factorial 3 number of things, factorial 3 number of groups are equal. So factorial 3 means you see that 6 number of groups are equal. So that is why for groups containing equal number of things, we have to divide it by factorial 2. Look, factorial 2, 2m by factorial 2 into m square. Now, if we put m equals to 2, then it will be factorial 2 into factorial m whole square. So, you are getting 4, 8, this is 3. So, 3. You are getting 3 groups. So, mind it. So, if we divide it into groups containing equal number of things, suppose for 2, this is factorial 2m by m equals to n, factorial m whole square. You have to divide it by factorial 2 because factorial number of 2 groups are alike. In case of 3, formula will be factorial 3m by factorial m, factorial n, factorial m, factorial n whole cube. In this case, not 3 but 6 number of groups are equal. So you have to divide by factorial 3. So division of 2m things into 2 groups. Now you look an interesting observations. Look, if A, B, C, D are 4 things, and if you divide these things between two persons, look, suppose upper one is distributed to x and lower one is y. Then we are getting AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. So none one is same. So how many we are getting? 6. 6. So look at the note 2. Distribution of 2m things between two persons containing equal number of things. Distribution of 2m things between two persons. Here two groups between two persons. So formula is again factorial 2m by factorial m whole square. This is factorial 2m by factorial m whole square. You put m equals to n, 2m by factorial m whole square. So you remember this one. So it will be clear if we take this example. So for 3m things, if it divide among 3 persons, so what will be our formula? Factorial 3m by factorial m whole cube. 3 persons equally. This is distribution. So distribution of 3m things. So you remember this formula. So first one is very simple, and you look at the language between two groups, factorial 2, between 3 groups, factorial 3, between 2 persons, no factorial 2, factorial 2 will be cancelled, between 3 persons, no factorial 3. This is factorial m cube. So this is our working tool. Now we consider some problems. Now application of the above theory. So number 1, find number of ways of dividing 52 playing cards. 52 playing cards among 4 players equally. Among 4 players equally. So 52 cards, you know there are 4 type of cards and they are all different. All are different. So number of persons equals to 4. So each person will get 13 cards because cards are distributed equally. So number 1, number of possible ways. So total number of things. So each group has 13 cards. So 13 and number of persons 4. So 13 to the power 4. Factorial 13 multiplied by 4 times. So factorial 13 to the power 4. Factorial 13 to the power 4. Now look at the language. Find number of ways it is divided among 4 players, 4 persons. So formula is factorial 4m by factorial m whole to the power 4. This 4 is not present. So from this formula. distribution of 2m things into 2 persons. Here 4, so factorial 52 by factorial 13 whole to the power 4. So look at the note 2. Here only division will be in 4 parts. Next, the same problem. Look at the language. Distribute 52 different things. Distribute, that is divide. You can write also divide. Divide 52 different things into 4 groups. So, total things, obviously things are defined, 52. Each group will get 13 things. So, number of possible ways of dividing 52 things equals to factorial 52. This is factorial 13 whole to the power 4. Now look at the note 4. So factorial 4 number of groups will be equal. So that is 24. You have to divide it by factorial 4. So it will come from this note. So this should be noted. Whether it is distributed among 4 persons or into 4 groups. If it is 4 groups, then you have to divide it by factorial 4. So this to be noted. Now consider one simple problem. So these problems are problems of Cengage publications. So find number of ways to give 16 different things to 3 persons A, B, C, so that B gets 1 more than A and C gets 2 more than B. So B gets 1 more than A. So A is the least. So let A gets x number. So B gets x plus 1. And C gets 2 more than B. So C gets x plus 1 plus 2. So x plus 3. And total things is 16. So use value forming equation, find value of x. So total things x plus 1 plus x plus 3 equals to 16. So we are getting 3x equals to 12. So x equals to 4. So A gets 4, B gets 5 and C gets 7. 12, 16. So division of 16 things into 3 groups having unequal number of things. So this is very simple. So number of possible ways. Number of possible ways. Is equal to factorial 16 by factorial m. M means factorial 4. Then factorial 5. Then factorial 7. So it is simple case when each group contains different number of things. So this one is factorial 16 by factorial 4 into factorial 5 into factorial 7. So you simplify and you get the result. So through this video today, I have discussed division of different things, mind it, into different groups. Having equal number of things, dividing equally the things among persons. So, theory is the most important part. You should remember the theory. So, problems are very simple. So, thank you for today.